Hey everyone, okay, this is my first unboxing. I got my hair from Love Me Here. Get you some hair. I got the U part with the free flat iron. So go and get y'all some hair. Okay, that's the hair. And we got the flat iron. And then we got a wig cap. And we got an accessory bag. It's the wig cap. And then this is just like the manual of returns and exchanges and how to take care of the wig, basically like that. Okay, so first we're gonna deal with the flat iron and wait till you see it. It was a big boom, that's why I paused like that. Okay, so this flat iron is really cute. I like it. Can't wait to try it out. And now we got the accessory bag with all the little stuff up in there. First, we're going to pull out the comb. Yes, and then we got some bobby pins. And adjustable strap. Then we got a hairpin that says Love Me. Then we got a silk wrap. It's so pretty. And purple. I love purple. Then we got tweezers. And that's the wig cap. All right. And now we're on to the hair. Don't mind me because I was really struggling trying to open the bag. So it took me a good minute just to open the bag. Girl, you still ain't get the bag open. Okay, here we go. She is so pretty and soft. It was so soft. And this is my first box here from Love Me Here, so I'm pretty impressed. It's beautiful. And I love my curls. Them curls are so cute. I can't wait to put it on. It got the clips. Two on the side, one on the back, and then it got an adjustable strap. Two adjustable straps in the back for how tight you want it. But she is so soft. No shedding. I can't wait to put it in and be slaying to the gods. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Go get y'all some hair from Love Me Here. Peace out.